We have been looking at all the teams that are a part of IPL 10, and in the latest episode we have Royal Challengers Bangalore.
There's Virat Kohli, of course, but he might not be a part of the first few games of the IPL because of a shoulder injury. The leading run scorer of the last edition will be replaced by Shane Watson as captain, who leads the international flavour along with Chris Gayle and Emil Mills, among others.
As for the new buys, Bangalore have Mills and Pawan Negi. While Mills seemed to be the most perfect replacement for the injured Mitchell Starc, Negi just might play the role of a finisher given his abilities with the bat.
Buying Chowdhury for a big amount came as a bit of a surprise, but his ability to consistently clock 140 clicks is something that has impressed the team, and that definitely makes him an asset.
Now, let's have a look at the top 5 stars for the franchise over the course of their journey. Kohli has been the key for Bangalore, leading the side since 2012. His presence in the top order has been a huge driving force in the team's success. His absence from the first few matches will hurt the team, and they would hope he returns before it's too late.
One of the most explosive batsmen in the world, Gayle has been instrumental in giving Bangalore their big starts, but he isn't the force he used to be. Brace for the occasional mayhem though.
De Villiers is probably the most complete batsman in the game, and being captain in Kohli's absence will put added responsibility on him. He has been a star for the last few seasons, and there's no reason to believe he can't continue the good work.
After joining the ranks in 2014, Chahal, who played for Mumbai Indians earlier, ended as the highest wicket taker in the 2015 season.
Rahul's absence will also hurt Bangalore. He was drafted in by the team in 2013, let go of and brought back in 2016, when he played many crucial innings in the middle order.
Given his rise in stature and consistent performances across formats, Kedar Jadhav, who shot to fame with his hard hitting against England in the ODI series this year, might turn out to be the dark horse.
And let's add to this list the other major Indian internationals in the mix. Stuart Binny might not have bowled as much last season, but with his experience from the Rajasthan Royals days and elsewhere, he remains a vital member. With their sights set on a maiden title, the Royal Challengers will begin their quest on April 5th against Sunrisers Hyderabad, the defending champions.
We'll discuss one of the other teams in our next episode. Meanwhile, you can check out wisdomindia.com for more cricket news.